Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is a cool mix bar right here, and basically what this is a little bed for cats, but you guys can also use this for like small dogs as well. If you can see, the one that we got right here from this brand right here, Bedsure. So for this product, they actually have it in small or medium, and they also have it in different colors. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one is best for you guys. But for the one that I got right here is the beige color. But first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what the product looks like and what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. Let's take it out. Alright, so this is basically what's included inside. So this side right here is the tent, and this side right here is the reversible cushion pad or pillow that they didn't use, which is pretty awesome. You can see it's all nicely packed and compressed. So let's open both of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we open it up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like for this one right here. So they definitely have the little opening in the middle part right here that is going to open up into like a small little tent. So that way the dogs or your pet can go inside. And the material on the side definitely feels really nice. It definitely has a very good cushion. And on the side right here, they do have the little Bedsure logo right here. And on the bottom right here, they definitely do have the non-slip material, which is pretty cool. So when you guys put it onto the ground, it won't keep moving around. In the top part right here, they do have little hanging options. If you guys want to hang it somewhere, you definitely can as well. But when you guys feel the inner layer of the product, it definitely feels very nice. It definitely has a very good cushion inside as well. So the reason why this tent has very good cushion on the top part or throughout the part right here is the fact that if you guys wanted to, you guys actually push this part down and it becomes like this little pet bed that they can sleep on top. So that's really cool. But this is basically what the tent looks like right now. I'll definitely set up in a second to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys put a dog inside. Let me take out the cushion as well and show you guys what that looks like. Alright, so this is basically what the cushion or the pillow looks like. So it's slowly expanding back to original shape, you can see right here. But when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels really nice. It definitely feels very like fluffy and very soft. And the cool thing about this pillow right here is the fact that it is washable. So if you want to throw this into the machine to wash it, you definitely can. So basically for this pillow right here, you can just stuff it inside. So once you guys stuff it inside, this is basically what it looks like. So that way they actually have a little cushion in the bottom right here. Or if you guys want to, you can push this part down like I showed you guys earlier and put the pillow on top. So that way they get cushion on top and also get a little padding throughout the part right here for that very good cushion if they want to sleep on top. Or they can sleep inside right here, which is pretty awesome. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully assemble it. So here's a 360 view. And then here's the bottom part. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys what the actual product looks like on the floor. And then we'll also put like the pet inside and also on the top layer to show you guys the two different options that you can use on the product. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the bed all set right here. Let's test it out. Alright, so you definitely see the product looks very cute. It actually works really well. You can see how it fits the dog inside really well. Alright, so now let's try it using the top part and see what it actually looks like. Alright, so here is the other option that you can go for. Alright, so that's another option you can use on this product. You can see it definitely looks pretty awesome. It actually works really well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of our product and definitely see that actually does work. Actually works quite well. Super easy to use. If you can see from the video, it's definitely really cool how you guys can use it for both the little tent option and you can also use it as a little bed as well once you guys collapse it down and push it down. And in terms of like the cushion or the pillow, they do recommend that if you guys wash it, it's fine in the machine, but you do not want to throw it into the dryer to dry it. You do want to let it air dry. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for something that can be both like a little house or a little tent that can become a little bed for your dogs or cat, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.